In this video, we will discuss about arrays in string and how to access the elements of the array using indexing. Strings are an array of bytes which represents the Unicode characters. Python 3 doesn't have any character data type support. A single character is simply considered as a string with a length of 1. Square brackets with index numbers are used to access the elements of string arrays. Strings are immutable data types in Python, which means that once a string is created, it cannot be changed. You can replace the complete string by assigning a new value to it, but the character of the string cannot be modified. Types of indexing. The characters of string can be individually accessed using the method called indexing. There are two types of indexing: positive indexing and negative indexing. Characters can be accessed from both directions, that is, forward and backward directions. Positive indexing, which is also referred as forward indexing, starts from 0, 1, 2, and so on. Negative indexing, which is also referred as backward indexing, starts from -1, -2, -3, and so on, where -1 is the last element in a string. We can only use the integer number type for string indexing. If any other data type is used, then error will be thrown at runtime. Let's test the string array using a program. In the program, a string variable is declared with a value as hello py. Let's check the individual string array values when using forward and backward indexing. Forward indexing starts with 0. H has an index value as 0 and last character Y has an index value as 7. Space is also counted as an array character. For backward indexing, you can first count the total number of characters. Here the total characters, including space, is 8. So for backward indexing, the indexing will begin from -8 and will go till -1. Let's add some different set of print statements to check the behavior of the array. Let's execute and check the behavior. Print A, it prints the complete array. Print a 0. It prints the first element of the array, which is H. Print a 6. It prints the sixth element of the array, which is P. Print a -1. It prints the last element of array as Y using backward indexing. Print a -4. It prints the fifth element of array as 0 using backward indexing. So, this is how we can print a single array element using forward and backward indexing. Strings are immutable. If we try to change the value of any array index value, we get error message as string object does not support item assignment. Trying to changing the value of string values 0 from H to A. And added print statement. Once executed, we get error message as string object does not support item assignment. So we cannot modify any particular element of the array. However, we can change the complete string variable value. changing the value of the variable from hello py to Python and adding print statements to print it. Once executed, we can see that the new string value is getting printed instead of the old string due to reassignment. This is how string arrays are declared and accessed in Python.